friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And today's video we are going to review a new product right now that I have purchased, and that is the Oral-B Kids Toothbrush. So guys, this is the Oral-B Kids Toothbrush which I purchased for my daughter, and I found it in the supermarket today, so I purchased it for her. And today we are going to review this Oral-B Kids Toothbrush. So let's get down to review. So guys, starting off with the packaging, it comes packaged in a very colorful packaging. Right here you can see various multiple bright colors used for packaging, which actually attracted me to this brush. Right, it just sort out the color in itself attracted me to the brush. It has wonderful and bright colors right here. And right here you can see, first thing that you can see here is the 2+ years written. So this toothbrush is suitable for kids above the age of 2 years. The MRP of the brush is given here, which is ₹20, so very much affordable. It's from the well-known brand Oral-B. So the branding is right here, Oral-B. And then the name of the product is the Oral-B Kids brush, which is mentioned here. This brush comes with Extrasoft bristles to be very gentle on the kids' teeth. And like we all know, Oral-B is the world's #1 dentist recommended toothbrush brand. So that's written down there, and it has a see-through packaging, so you can actually see the product right here. Moving on to the back of the pack, again the Oral-B branding, Oral-B Kids branding on it. Extrasoft bristles. At Oral-B, we care for your child's oral health by developing innovative products that are trusted by dental professionals worldwide. Carefully polished and rounded bristles are gentle on teeth and gums. Hand stabilizer. Hand stabilizer helps keep the brush steady when set down. Power tip bristles. Power tip bristles are designed to help clean hard to reach back teeth. Contents of this pack is 1 toothbrush. MRP is ₹20, like I told you all earlier. You should always replace a brush every 3 months. That's what's given as the product from P&G. And that's all the information right here. So let's go ahead and open the packing right now and check out the brush. So we are going to quickly open the brush packing right now. We are going to take a look at the brush. So right here I have opened the brush packing. Very simple packing, easy to open. And here guys is the Oral-B Kids brush. Very bright colors used. It has a yellow and a dark pink color used here. Very much bright and nice. You can see the bristles are also in the same yellow, green, pink color, which are nice and bright, and it has stars on top of it. And then you can see the Oral-B branding right here as well. And according to the bristles are very super soft bristles. These are very colorful to keep the kid attracted to the brush, so that the kid by himself will take the brush and brush and will enjoy brushing with it just looking at the brush. It looks so attractive and nice. So definitely gonna attract the kids to it. So this is an amazing brush from Oral-B. It's made out of plastic here. High quality plastic used here, and very ergonomic design here, so that the kid can easily hold it in their little hands. Place for them to place their thumb as well. And then compared to our normal adult brushes, the head of the brush is small, so that it easily fits into the baby's or the infant's mouth, and they can easily brush it. And you can see the unique shape of the bristles as well. They're uniquely shaped and nicely rounded brushes these are, so which help to clean teeth very easily. So again, if you look at the bristles, they are not straight, they are in that unique shape right here. If you can see it has that unique shape where certain bristles are long and stuff. So that is for better cleaning and hard to reach areas it can reach easily. So yeah, the overall build quality is very nice of this brush. I really liked it, and the bristles are very nice and super soft, and they have a round edge so that it doesn't hurt your child's gums. Guys, this was my review about the Oral-B Kids toothbrush. If you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.